Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will be an unboxing of the Easy Bake Ultimate Oven Baking Star Edition. It was originally $50, but it's currently on sale for $30. Suitable for kids ages 8 and up. Please remember, adult supervision is required. Here is the back of the box. Here is a few examples of what you can make with the Easy Bake Oven. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Here is our chocolate brownie mix, vanilla frosting mix, and rainbow sugar crystals. Baking pan. Pan tool. Instructions. And last but not least, our Easy Bake Ultimate Oven. Power cord is about 4 to 5 feet, a pretty decent length. Here is a close-up of the front. Nice design overall. You'll notice there is no real timer and no temperature setting as well. You either turn it on or off. Here is where you will be putting in the baking pan. And this is where the finished product will come out. Here is the top of the oven. The left side is where most of the baking will take place, and the right, I believe, is the cooling chamber. In terms of size, it's about, 19 inches across. And about 9 inches high. So it's pretty much on par with your normal toaster oven. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Join me in the next toy video where I put the oven to the test and actually attempt to bake something. Later.